Hey guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel. And y'all, we've got another run deal right now at Dollar General. So go ahead and grab your phone and your car keys, throw on them tennis shoes, and let's run to DG. But first, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. It's right down below this video. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. Then take a second to share the video. And also don't forget that I have already uploaded several other Dollar General videos for you guys this week. So if you missed out on any of those, make sure that you go and check them out. I'm going to have them all linked and listed for you in the pinned comment down below. Alright guys, so I just got out of Dollar General. We definitely do have a run glitch deal right now on Palmolive dish soap. These work out to be $1.25 each, which is a great deal, great stock up price. So here's the rundown. We have Palmolive dish soaps. You guys want to be on the lookout for the Palmolive Ultra in the blue or green bottles. Okay, we're going to talk about this orange bottle situation here in just a second. These are priced at $3.25. However, when you scan them in the app, they're going to show up that they are on sale, 2 for $4. And we also have that instant savings for when you spend $10 on Colgate, Palmolive, Fabuloso, all kinds of stuff. You're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Okay, now there's a lot of important information that you guys really need to pay attention to. So pick up the blue or the green bottles only. All right. And this glitch is only working at stores where you have a new register or a self-checkout. This does not work at the old registers. I just tried it out and it did not work, okay? So go into your store. I'm going to put on a little clip for you all. Run into your store and look for the blue and green Palmolives. At my store, they only had 2 of the blue bottles left. So this is definitely a run deal. Shelves will probably be cleared, okay? So get out there and get this deal while you can. So my store only had 2 in stock. I do have an appointment to get to this morning, so I don't have time to stop at another store to see if they have any in stock. So I ran over into the clearance section. I remembered seeing some orange bottles over there. These are currently priced at $2.90. So I thought, well, I'll grab those, take them up there and see what happens. So, lucky for me, I have a few really nice cashiers and managers at the store. And so I tried the deal at the old register. Didn't work. So we ran over to self-checkout. They wanted to know what the deal was too, right? So went over to self-checkout, scanned all 4 of them in, and the instant savings did not apply. Because these 2 orange bottles right here, when you scan them in your app, they, like I said, they pull it for the sale 2 for $4, but they do not show the instant savings 3 off 10. Okay, so do not get the orange bottles. You want to get 4 of the blue and green, and you can mix and match. So what they did for me, they were like, you know what, go ahead and ring up 4 bottles of the blue, and we'll just call it a day. So once I did that, it worked out perfectly, okay? So, again, you want to be on the lookout for the blue and green Palmolives, normally priced at $3.25. They are on sale, 2 for $4, plus we have instant savings for when you spend $10, you're going to instantly save $3 at the register. Now, typically with that sale, if we pick it up 4, that's going to put us at $8, right? However, if you guys remember a few weeks back, we had a glitch on the Dr. Pepper where the system was picking up the original price and then applying the sale plus the instant savings, okay? So even though we're only getting our subtotal to $8 with that sale, the instant savings is still coming off. You are going to pay $5 for 4 bottles, all right? So let's take a look at my receipt right here. And as you all can see, there are 4 Palmolives, $3.25 each, discount of $5 and $3. I paid $5.46 out of pocket, and that is with tax. So without tax, $5 for 4 bottles, making those $1.25 each. Now, a couple of more things. When you go in to do this deal, you do not need to type in your phone number or anything like that. All you have to do is ring up the items at self-checkout, or if you're at a new register, have the cashier ring up your items, and then once you or the cashier hits total or pay now, it will automatically take off that sale and the instant savings. So you do not need a phone number or a digital couponing account to do this deal. So you can do it as many times as you want. But with that being said, I want you guys to keep this deal in mind over the next several weeks because it looks like the instant savings will be sticking around until March the 11th. So here's a sticker that I found in the store. It was marked on the shelves. Save $3 when you spend $10 on any Colgate items, and that does include the Fabuloso, the Palmolive, all of those good things. So March the 11th is when the instant savings will expire. So even if you do have stores that are out of stock right now, don't be afraid to go and try this deal again next week. Maybe your store will have more in stock and you can try it several times. And of course, I will be trying to do this deal again next week, and I will give you guys an update on that. So just make sure that you are subscribed, turn on your notifications, and set them to all. That way you don't miss out on any awesome run glitch deals like this one right here. Now, a quick side note, I didn't realize this, but right now at Dollar General, they have a big sale going on for their pillows and blankets and things like that. Number one, I did find a Red Dot blanket. We do have Red Dot Home on clearance right now for 50% off. So this one was $6 anyways. My store took an additional 50% off, so I paid $3. But the brown dot, I believe she also said gray dot. I don't have enough time to go in there and scan and try to figure out all of the dots that are included. But if you are interested in grabbing up any of these blankets before they're gone, a lot of them are ringing up at 50% off, a lot of the pillows and blankets. So don't forget to check that as well if you're interested in picking up any pillows or blankets. And then also, I wanted to mention really quick on the Red Dot Home items, Dollar General is starting to put out the new Red Dot Home items. So if you guys are picking up any of these Red Dot Home items on clearance for 50% off this week, make sure that you scan it before you go up to the register. And I will have a video out probably on Saturday. I'm going to put out a video going over the Valentine's purple tagged gift sets. And then I also have quite a few Red Dot Home items and UPC codes to share with y'all as well. So be on the lookout for those two videos. I will be doing it separately. That way it'll kind of keep things simple, right? Alright guys, so that's going to be it for me for now. Y'all get out there and do this run glitch deal before it is gone. And please come back and let me know how it all worked out for you down in the comment section below. And of course, make sure that y'all stay tuned because up next, I have some amazing, crazy 5 off $25 scenarios to share with you all for this Saturday at Dollar General. So that video will be coming up next, and that is one that you are definitely not going to want to miss out on. So before you go, if you're not already subscribed, I really don't know what you're waiting on. It's completely free, so go ahead and hit that big red subscribe button. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. All right, guys, good luck. Please come back and let me know if you scored. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.